Do you know why we have 4 seasons all year round? Because there are 4 seasons fairies that are not like this, and that's mainly because of the axis of our planet. The axis of our planet is tilted by about 23.5 degrees, so as the Earth revolves around the Sun, sometimes the northern hemisphere points to the Sun, and sometimes pointing towards the Sun is the southern hemisphere. This leads to seasonal changes. Oh my God, it's too complicated. Well, let's look at the northern hemisphere. To further understand the changing seasons, when the northern hemisphere points towards the sun shines directly on the northern hemisphere, so the temperature is high. This results in a summer in the region. However, as the northern hemisphere gradually moves away from the sun will set in the northern hemisphere, so the temperature is very low. It also formed winter. However, when the northern hemisphere is neither facing the sun, not far from the sun, moderate temperature. This also forms spring and autumn. Now you know. And today's topic is the speed of sound. Why does sound travel faster in summer than in winter? I don't know if that's because in the winter, the speed of sound is slowed down. The speed of sound depends on the temperature of the medium. The higher the medium temperature, the faster the sound travels. The lower the temperature of the opposite ring, the slower the sound travels. So in that case, what do you think the ring here is? I don't know. It's okay, I'll tell you. In this case, air is the medium. Summer temperatures rise. The higher the temperature, the more kinetic energy the air molecules have, so the molecules vibrate faster. On the contrary, in winter, the temperature drops. As the temperature decreases, the kinetic energy of the molecules is also reduced, so there's less molecular vibration. This way, in winter, the speed of sound slows down. That's why sound travels faster in summer than in winter. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Why on the road? We need to stay away from the tanker. Here's a picture of the inside of a tanker truck, and maybe it's not what you think it is. Instead of a large empty compartment, inside the tank is designed with partitions, divided into several small compartments. This design is not just about increasing safety, but also to minimize the wave effect. When the car moves, wave effect occurs when the liquid in the tank generates strong waves, leading to rapid displacement and concentration of fluid. This shift causes a huge impact on the car, even can far exceed the actual weight of the liquid. As a result, the truck is unstable, especially in situations like running at high speed. Folding, cornering, or emergency braking increases the risk of overturning the car. To sort of fix this problem, the partitions inside the tank are designed to limit the vibration of the fluid, make the car more stable. Normally the walls are sealed to prevent the fluid from moving freely. However, in some special cases, the partition can be designed with small holes or vent, allowed a level, certain circulation. This not only helps to reduce the oscillation, but also equalize the pressure inside the tank. At the same time, support the process of liquid filling pump. It's more convenient. It should be noted, though, that these partitions mainly minimize the wave effect longitudinally, and the oscillation is the horizontal of the fluid. It can still happen. In addition to the large weight of the liquid, along with the higher center of gravity compared to other cars, makes the tank truck very easy to flip sideways. According to the tests, the threshold for a car to flip sideways usually between 1.2 and 1.3 grams. Meanwhile, for a tank truck, it's about 0.4 g, 3 times lower than your car. So when you're on the road and you meet a tank truck, you need to keep a safe distance.